The Lightning put on a dominant performance Thursday night, defeating the Senators 5-1 at home and collecting 2 critical Atlantic Division points. Here are 3 major takeaways from this one. 1. Gage Goncalves. This kid has been awesome ever since he was called up again. He has 3 points in his last 5 games, and he's starting to look more comfortable out there. 2. Special teams. Both sets of special teams performed excellently. The penalty kill was 3 for 3 despite not having Cirelli, and the power play converted once via a connection between the Lightning's top line. 3. Andrei Vasilevsky. The Big Cat continued his recent elite play, allowing only 1 goal on 28 shots and recording a 96.4 save percentage. The Bolts hit the road today with another important Atlantic Division matchup with the Detroit Red Wings at 1 p.m. Eastern. Go Bolts.